Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily download your purchase invoice from Alibaba. So all you have to do is just head over to alibaba.com. Then next is just make sure that you're logged into your account. Then once you're logged in, just head over to this orders button or this icon and click on it. You will then be redirected to your orders page where you can see a list of all your orders. And from here, just choose the order that you want to download the purchase invoice in just by clicking on the View More link. Next is you will be redirected to a page where you can see all the necessary information about your order, and all you have to do is scroll down until you can see the download button, and you can easily just click on download. But if you're going to need the detail about transaction under the payment record section, just click on transaction fee invoice, and a PDF file will start downloading, and that's how you can easily download the purchase invoice of your order from Alibaba. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!